everyone, the Thermacut 125 HD, cutting out some 25mm plates. I built this table myself. It's a BlueCarve CNC, but all the blue stuff down here, the table and the orange part, I built that myself. BlueCarve do the CNC as a kit form. They put it together, pack it up and send it to you wherever you want. As mentioned before, this is Thermacut 125 HD. You're wondering why the water's bubbling. I set up a manifold. Integrated a manifold in the table, all copper pipes with little holes in them. You just turn the air on and it bubbles up and percolates underneath the plate, keeps it cool. The cooler you keep the material, the better. Try and limit the heat transfer up to the tip. I've had a few little issues like this here. Well, most of that cut's been pretty good, but yeah, for whatever reason it come around this side and didn't want to cut right. Yeah, so I've been tasked with copycatting this tractor weight, New Holland tractor weight. What we're going to do is fit this on there and then mount a tank on top of these where in place of the tractor weights. So I had to copycat this shape to hang it off the front of the tractor. So what I did, I drew that out in CAD, this shape, 500 square, with little 10mm radiuses here, because we're going to fit something on the top there, weld something on the top. Decent 30mm radius down the bottom. sort of matches the same as the tractor weight, that corner there. And then in here has a fair bit of detail for 25mm thick anyway. This is a finished cut. I haven't touched it. No grinding, nothing. I'm still playing around with settings, tweaking it as I go. I'm getting better and better at it. So you get a little bit of dross, and that's not too hard to deal with. It chips off most of that. Yeah. It is running at a pretty steady rate. It's around 1/2 meter a minute, or a little bit better, 550 millimeters a minute. I've mucked around the speed a little bit here and there. It doesn't seem to really improve or get worse. I think the biggest thing is the height, getting the height controller right. This tip, the tip that's currently in it, it's done a bit of cutting now. I mentioned that before, I think. So it'll be interesting to see what it looks like, whether we get a bit of this with the new tip. But no, generally pretty happy with how it's going. Yeah.